Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggless souffle pancakes. First, gather your dry ingredients: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk these together in a bowl. In a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best results. Now slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Gently fold them together until just combined. It's crucial not to overmix the batter. A few small lumps are actually a good sign. Next, in a clean bowl, whip 1/4 cup of aquafaba, which is the liquid from a can of chickpeas, until it forms stiff, glossy peaks. This creates the soufflé-like texture. With your batter ready, heat a non-stick pan over low to medium heat. Lightly grease it if needed. Gently fold the whipped aquafaba into your pancake batter. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of this fluffy batter onto the pan for each pancake. Cook for about 3 minutes on one side, then carefully flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Your delicious eggless soufflé pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings: fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar all make wonderful additions. These light and airy pancakes are perfect for a special breakfast or brunch. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.